world food demand is expected to increase 50 to 100 by 2050 in line with world population growth. By 2050, the world's population is estimated to reach 9.7 billion, based on population census data in 2020. This number has increased by 32.56 million people compared to the population census in 2010. An increase in the fulfillment of food needs is in line with population growth. One of the challenges in food availability is the high number of food loss and waste. Improper handling of food loss and waste can burden the food loss and waste management system. Food loss often occurs on farm, pre- and post-harvest, handling, processing, and distribution level. Whereas food waste is at retailers, food services, and consumers levels. According to the Ministry of National Development Planning 2021, food loss and waste in Indonesia are dominated by vegetables, fruits, and cereals, where vegetables loss is 62.8%. Indonesia has committed to mainstreaming SDGs goals, targets, and indicators in the medium-term National Development Plan and prioritize low-carbon development programs to support reducing of food loss and waste. In line with G20 Presidency Indonesia 2022, Ministry of Agriculture, through the meeting of Agricultural Chief Scientists Max G20, has developed an agenda to stimulate action across 17 SDG. Namely, the target of 12 SDG is by 2030. Halve per capita global food waste at the retail and consumers levels, and reduce food losses along production and supply chains. Ministry of Agriculture Republik Indonesia, through Indonesian Agency for Agricultural Research and Development (IAARD), is currently implementing an agricultural post-harvest handling and processing innovation for reducing food loss and waste, starting from farm to consumers.